ibe kamu nwa ka mmarụ ma amarụ ọkwa ajọ ibe o nwere okwu mfuru ka ezielu nge ezizikwere gị nye bụ ozi si ma ozi ziri ọha ma dike ya zielu nge ga-atụrụ ya n'ọsọ ama na jijiji ibe Chineke kwadoro mmadụ na ọ dịgwara onye ọ kwadoro ya onye ilo gbaba mgba n'ime ya gbata mgba n'ime ya ọmaharuelu onye ọ kwadoro aka agwa ngịga akwakwana niko emekpenekpasị ọbụ ibe Chineke duiri gị ọbụ ya emeriri obi Igbo na-ekwe obi na-eno obi Igbo n'obi iri anyị ngị ka anyị ma ngị jeje Naijiria dị mma ngị jeje Naijiria kwụrụ ọtọ anụ amarụgwo n'ọgị jeje ya maka ọ bụrụ na ijerie eje kwube na okwu protesti ọ bụrụ na ijerie ọma adịrị anyị na mma obi ihe adịrị anyị ihe adịrị anyị.
Wow, good evening, welcome back to my channel. Have you met Mr. Peter Obi in person before? Have you? Try to meet Mr. Peter Obi one-on-one. I am telling you, you will be very happy. That is why today Odejimjim met with Mr. Peter Obi at an occasion in Anambra State. It was something else. In fact, you need to see the organic love. You need to see the organic joy. When this man met Mr. Peter Obi today, he was so happy because there's what we call ebube in Igbo language. If you meet Mr. Peter Obi, you are going to meet Mr. Genuinity. Anytime you meet Mr. Peter Obi, you meet transparent. You meet human being the way they are supposed to be. I know people will say that he is a politician, that all politicians are the same, that all politicians are equal. But Mr. Peter Obi is a politician with honor. It is a politician that is totally different from other politicians. He is a straightforward person, a straightforward politician. Any day you meet Mr. Peter Obi, you are going to be very happy. I remember vividly the day I met Mr. Peter Obi during one of his rally. I think that was last year in Abuja. I met Mr. Peter Obi. I was so happy. In fact, I was so transformed. If you hear him speak, you will know that he is totally different from every other politician. Yes, he is not somebody that will tell you to do this and he will be doing some other things. No, as Mr. Peter Obi is saying, follow me, he meant follow me. As Mr. Peter Obi is saying, do this, he meant what he is saying. That is why when we missed him in 2023, I was so pained. I was so pained. I was not happy because I know the pedigree of this man called Mr. Peter Obi. I know him in person. He is a straightforward human being. If you meet him, you are going to see greatness. You will be amazed. In fact, something in you will be telling you that there is something about this man, something great about this man that we are missing in Nigeria. That was what Odejimjim saw today, as soon as he met Peter Obi. Watch the video, enjoy yourself.
ama na jijiji ibe Chineke kwadoro mmadụ na ọ dịgwara onye ọ kwadoro ya onye ilo gbaba mgba n'ime ya gbata mgba n'ime ya ọmaharuelu onye ọ kwadoro aka agwa ngịga akwakwana niko emekpenekpasị ọbụ ibe Chineke duiri gị ọbụ ya emeriri obi Igbo na-ekwe obi na-eno obi Igbo n'obi iri anyị ngị ka anyị ma ngị jeje Naijiria dị mma ngị jeje Naijiria kwụrụ ọtọ anụ amarụgwo n'ọgị jeje ya maka ọ bụrụ na ijerie eje kwube na okwu protesti ọ bụrụ na ijerie ọma adịrị anyị na mma obi ihe adịrị anyị ihe adịrị anyị